Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Final Cut Pro with clips imported. Immediately select the audio clip in the timeline. Once selected, open the audio inspector so you can change pitch and formants. First, adjust clip gain to normalize levels. Don't skip this because extreme pitch shifts will amplify noise. Then choose the built-in pitch shifter effect from the effects browser and drag it onto the clip. You're already set up to tweak parameters. Move on when the baseline volume sounds consistent. Now you'll focus on the pitch shifter controls to change your voice naturally. Increase or decrease semitones for the general pitch change. Small steps like plus or minus 2/4 semitones sound believable, while larger jumps create character voices. Once done, adjust formant to preserve vowel characteristics and avoid the robotic effect. Raise or lower slightly until the voice reads as natural. Make sure to set mix or wet to blend the processed audio with the original, so you keep present. Finish by rendering a short section and listening critically at normal playback level. You want to catch artifacts or timing shifts. If you hear muddiness, add a mild EQ boost around 2/4 kHz and roll off low rumble. For sibilance introduced by pitch shifting, use a deesser. If distortion or glitching occurs, reduce the pitch amount, lower formant extremes, or insert a subtle compressor/limiter to tame peaks. One troubleshooting tip: bounce a backup stem before major changes so you can revert quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.